Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. You are welcome to my Facebook page. So now before the commencement of this, so you can see that this is going to be the distributive property of binary operation. So as you can see, is the continuation of the topic we've been going through. So now for the couples of weeks now, so we have distributive property. We are still under the binary operation. So now you have the definition. Whenever you have this definition, if you look at this, you have the operation star, you have the operation lambda. Okay, so therefore when you have this thing written in this form, and it can actually be interpreted in the right hand side. Okay, so for every a comma b comma c belong to set of real numbers. So this a b c we have here, they are just numbers under the set of real numbers. So it's like general form of any numbers we can find under real numbers. Okay, so whenever you have this, you can see that we're having two operations here. We have star and lambda. Okay, so that's why making this distributive. When you have a, so therefore we distribute a over this inside the bracket. When you look at this, you can see a asterisk b, a asterisk b. So we distribute a over what we have inside the bracket. And when you look at this, you can see that we have a asterisk c here also. So when you have this, so this what we mean by distributive property. Okay, now let's look at this question. Or before that, so I can actually tell you that when you have multiplication, let's say a b c, this a b c now plus b c, you can see that here we have a multiplication here, and inside the bracket we have addition, that is b plus c. So now from here you can distribute a over this to be a times b, then plus a times c. I get now. You can see that when you compute this at the left hand side, we automatically give us what we have at the right hand side. So now from here, let's say we have a to be 1 and b to be 2, then c to be 3. I get now. So we have 1 plus 2. So from here, 1, don't forget that this is multiplication here. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we have 1 times 5 to be equals to 5. I get it now. So if you do that t here, so now let's take the second one. We have ab. Okay, a, that is a is 1, then b is 2, then plus what is my a is 1, and c is and c is 3. I get it now. So if I have this 1 times 2, what do I have? 2 plus 1 times 3, we have 3, then 2 plus 3, we have 5. I get it. So you can see that we have this and this to be equal. So therefore from here you can see that multiplications, addition, and they can be distributive over this. Do you understand that? Because when you have multiplication and addition. So now that is exactly what we are going to be doing here. Okay, so now what we are going to be doing here is that we are giving the definition, that is giving a asterisk b to be equals to ab over 2 for all a equals to 2, b equals to b equals to 3, and c equals to 4. So therefore we are going to show that 2 asterisk 3 plus 4 equals to this. And as you can see that this is looking the same as the definition of distributive property. So therefore we are going to consider each of the sides. So let's consider left hand side here. So if you want to consider the left hand side, then we know that the left hand side here is 2 asterisk 3 plus 4. I get it now. So we have to compute this using the definition given here. Okay, so now computing this, you can see that we are going to be having 2 asterisks, so that 3 plus 4 can actually give us 7. So therefore we are going to use 2 and 7 over this definition given. So now from here, so we can see that 2 asterisk 7, we are going to have 2. Okay, is this 2 is a, and 7 is b. Then over this we are going to be having 2 times 7 over 2. Are you getting it now? So you can see that this one, we cancel this one, we have 7. So therefore we said the left hand side of this equation is equals to 7 according to what we have here. So that is that. Then we consider at the right hand side. That is the right hand side here. and the right hand side is 2 as there is 3, okay, then plus 2 as there is what, as there is 4. So now from here, what are we going to do? So therefore we are going to compute these two using the definition here. So here 2 is what, A, and this one will be B. This one will be A for this, and this will be what, this will be B. Are you getting it now? So now from here we are going to compute this. We are going to have 2 times 3 over what, over 2, okay, then plus this is going to be 2 times 4 over what, over 2. Are you getting it now? So from here, if this cancel this, we are going to be left with 3 plus, if this cancel this, we are going to be having what, we are going to be having 4. So therefore we can see that our RHS, that is the right hand side, is equals to, when you had 3 and 4 together, so we are going to have this to be what, to be 7. Are you getting now? So now from the conclusion now, so the conclusion is that you can see that the LHS is 7 here and the RHS is 7. So since this and this are equal, that is the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. I get it now. So we can say that this distributive property is what, is satisfied. I get it now. According to what we have there, you can see that this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So we've already proven that what, that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. And that is that about what we have for ourselves today. So if you find the class very interesting, do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime you upload a new content. You can also go to our Facebook page, Shitu Mathematics Class. Follow us too so that you can see more of our amazing videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.